In this video, I want to show you the easiest way to create some flowcharts and diagrams with animations, similar to the animations of ByteByteGo. If you have watched any videos from ByteByteGo, you know that it has a lot of amazing and cool technical diagrams and flowcharts with animations. For a long time, I've been trying to understand and figure out how ByteByteGo does that, but I couldn't find a quick way to do that. I searched around and I found this newsletter from ByteByteGo. There are some tools introduced here, but they're all so complicated, and actually in the end you won't have diagrams like this. And I realized that most of these animations have been done by professional tools like After Effects. So if I wanted to do it with After Effects, I need to learn a lot of things, and also it really takes time to create animation like this. It's not easy. So I believe that ByteByteGo spends tons of hours to create these kind of animations. So I was looking for some quick ways to do that, because I create some flowcharts and diagrams for my videos. For instance, for this one, I wanted to have animated flowchart, and I just want to do it so fast. I don't want to spend a lot of time on creating animations with tools like After Effects. Doesn't make sense to me. So if you're looking for a way to create flowcharts and diagrams with animations so quickly, in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. The easiest way I found to do that is flowyboard.com. You don't have that much flexibility to do anything you want, but it comes with ready to use animations and flows and shapes, so you can just drop them and start using them. You don't have to do a lot to create animations here. So you just need to come to this section, and here you can choose all kinds of animations. It's limited, but if you just want to have a really quick animation, that should be enough. So here, for instance, I have this animated diagram here I created for one of my videos. So if you want to have something like this, I can create first a layer to include all the shapes inside that. As you can see, you can control the behavior of this shape. For instance, you can change the shape color, basically its background color. You can put it in the level you want, and then you can change the border color as well, and then you can change the flow color, this moving part. So I can make it purple. See this one, see, and you can also change the speed of animation. Now you need to put all your elements. It also has other parts like flows. Here you can have different flows. You just need to come up with a nice design. So it comes with very basic shapes. If you want to have a logo or a PNG file here, you can have it. I usually use flat icon to have my icons. For instance, I can search for database here, and here I like this one. Simply I can just copy PNG and then Control V and paste it here. I just need to select it and resize it. Copy it twice. And you can even add a background, like I can have this, and then you see, because this is the newer shape, it's above this one. So what I can do is that just Control X, basically cut it, and then Control V and paste it here. It goes on top of the other shape. So I can select both of them and move them. There are some bugs with Flowyboard, but I think it's quite handy if you just want to come up with a really quick design. When the design is ready, here for instance this one, what you can do to have it, for instance you want to have it in your video, so you can just come here and look for a record screen. Here I can use, for instance, my screen recorder. Here I just need to select the part I want like this, and when you're done with recording you will have something like this. I play it. As you can see, the resolution is quite good. Now you need to open DaVinci Resolve, for instance, or any other editing tool you have. So here I can go to one of my projects, for instance, So here I can drop the video. So here I can change the size, or I can add some transitions, like I can have a dynamic zoom. So if I play it, you can see we're gonna have a really nice dynamic zoom here. Or you can add other effects to that. So if I come to effects, I can add this nice binoculars effect. Or any other effect that you are interested in. But the hard part is animation, and you're already done with that. That's basically how I create my animations for my technical videos. I hope you start using Flowyboard, and please leave some comments about your experience with Flowyboard and how you feel about that. And here even you can save your board and even import it. One important thing you need to know about Flowyboard is that it stores all the boards on your browser, and it doesn't save anything on the cloud, and it's on your local. So if you want to keep it, you need to save the board and then import it later on. But that was for this quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. See you soon. Bye bye.